Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and this is my son Owen. He's my lovely assistant today. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And we're chatting back to school today. So we're going to share a couple of the things that we do for back to school, and during the live show, if you have any questions or you want to tell me about what you do for your back to school, we'd love to hear that too. I have my oldest son kind of watching the comments, so he'll kind of shout out to me if you have any questions. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is one of our traditions is that my boys like to bring a treat for their teacher on the first day of school. We kind of think of it as a nice way to start a new school year. We love teachers. They spend a lot of time with their teachers over the year, so we like to kind of start the year off right. And we like to do something that the kids can make and give to them. So we're going to show you today one of our things that we like to make. So I picked up this little pencil holder from the dollar store. It's just, let's see if you can see it there. It was like $1.25 at the dollar store. And let's take this peeling off. It's just made of like metal. And then I got this box of 64 crayons at Walmart for $2.97. So this is a cute little gift that you can do for under $5, and the kids can make it. It's kind of a craft too. So you want to show me, Owen knows how to use a glue gun. If you have younger kids and they're not old enough to use a glue gun, they can participate by maybe picking out the crayons, like what color they think they should do, or the pattern or something like that. So when you want to start and show us how you do it. So you can pick a crayon and put a little bit of glue on the crayon, the glue gun. Watch your fingers. Owen's pretty good with a glue gun, but like I said, younger kids, and then you can just stick it on Owen and you kind of line it up here. There you go. There. And it just sticks right on, and then you can just keep going all the way around. You want to keep working on it, Owen?
Okay.
Okay. So Owen's going to keep working on that, and I'm just going to show you. This is what the finished product looks like. It's nice and bright and colorful. What we like to do is use this, which they can sit on their desk and put their pens in, but we like to use it as kind of a holder for their gifts. So we went to the dollar store and we picked up some chocolate bars. So we can kind of fill it up with chocolate bars, many as we can, and we can wrap it up in some cellophane and add a cute note. So for something like this, some of the cute notes that you can, the tags that I design, and you can download them from my website. I'll leave the links in the comments after this is over so it's easy for you to find. But I have a couple different options for tags. This one says, wishing you a sweet start to the school year, and you can just print these off. It's like a picture, so you can just cut it in 3. I use my paper cutter, punch a little hole in it, attach it with some ribbon. And there's another one here, a sweet treat for a sweet teacher, or you can do a first day of school survival kit, which is actually, and for this too you could add maybe a coffee gift card, or you could add, what else could we put in there, Owen? What else could we put in here for a survival kit? Maybe some Advil, some hand sanitizer, that kind of thing. So there's a bunch of different possibilities for this. The other thing, instead, if you don't want to do chocolate, not everyone loves chocolate. I love chocolate, but not everybody does. We can fill it with like maybe a package of Sharpie markers. And that's nice and bright and colorful too. You can see. I love Sharpies. So teachers can always use school supplies. It's stuff that they can use rather than just junk. So for those, I have these little tags that says a little something to keep you sharp on the first day of school. Or mark my words, we're going to have a fun year. So it just kind of makes it a little more personalized to do that. How's yours coming on? You want to show them how much? See, you can just keep going around. Owen's doing a great job here, and you just keep going all the way around. Good job.
Want me to keep going?
Yeah, you can keep going, or do you want to help me with the other stuff? You want to take a look at the other stuff? Okay, so another thing that we do on the first day of school is we like to bring treats for the class, right?
Yeah.
You want to show them what you're going to bring this year?
Okay.
Okay. So this year we have Owen's done. Owen is going into grade 6. He wanted to bring gum for his class. So I bought this pack of 24 gum, and I designed some cute little labels that say, we are going to have an excellent year. I'm happy to have you in my class, and you can get these on my website too. I'll leave the link below. And we used XL gum. See the little pun? You like our pun?
Yeah.
All right, you want to show them? So basically, we just took the tag, we punched a hole in it, attached with some curling ribbon, and he has like a whole bag he's going to take to school and share with his friends on the first day of school. Jack, you want to show what you're going to do on the first day of school? You want to come show what you're bringing in your class?
Sure.
Okay, this is my youngest son, Jack. He's a little camera shy. Can you say hi, Jack? Hi. All right, so Jack is going to take, we found these fun, colorful pencils, and he's going to take these to school. So for Jack, they say, let's start the year off right, W-R-I-T-E. So I just designed these. You can, what? You want to hold it up? Okay, he's going to hold it up closer to the camera. So basically you just take, get the, nice, good job, Jackie. Okay, so basically what you do is you just print these off our website and print it like a regular picture, cut it in half because there are 2 per picture, and then just use an X-Acto knife and a cutting board like this so that it doesn't go through to the table. Always be careful when you're using the X-Acto knife. Cut 2 little slits on it, and then just insert the pencil through the slits. This one is really, really easy and inexpensive, but it's really fun. And if you look at, Jack has his treats ready for the first day of school, but they're all like bright and colorful, and I think some saying something. Can you read that comment, Cameron?
Well, no, it just says people are watching. Yeah.
Oh, on the bottom, no, I think it says, Jackie, can you read it on the phone here?
Mom, Amelia sent a waving.
Oh, hi, Amelia. So again, we're just talking back to school. If you want to leave a comment below, like what are your issues with back to school? Have your kids already gone back to school? Are you looking forward to it? Let me know. So what else do we have? Oh, we have one more first day of school treat. I have more ideas on my website. We have things like, we've done things like little bags of cookies that say, you're one smart cookie, welcome to grade 4. They're good for teachers. I know my sister's a teacher, and it's good to kind of, for teachers to do these things too and kind of welcome the kids to the class. So the other thing we have is, Owen and I found these glasses at the dollar store. Owen, you want to try them on? And they're just they were in like the party section, like where you can buy stuff for loot bags. And I think it was, oh, I like them, Owen. I think it was,
There's a question.
Okay.
Do you label separate pens, pencils, and markers?
I do. I always buy labels, and I just put the labels on them. As the kids get older, the pencils and pens and that kinds of things, I don't usually label them, but when they were really little, just to help them kind of keep track of their stuff. I don't know how necessary it is, but I don't know. I actually like to label things, so. All right, so back to our glasses. So we found these cute glasses, which I really like. I think the kids would have fun with these. And I made some little tags for them. They come in all kinds of colors. There's like yellow and green. They came in a 4-pack, I think. I can't remember how much they were, like $3.50 or something. And we made a little tag that says, I am looking forward to having you in my class. You want to hold it up, Bo? Yeah. So again, simple idea, but a lot of fun for the kids. Maybe we should just wear these, should we? Are you gonna wear yours with the tag still on them? You could cut the tag off if you want to wear them. Do you want to wear them?
All the words were backwards.
Oh, they were? Oh, I don't know why that is. Okay, sorry about that. When you print the tags off my website, they are not backwards. Okay, good to know though.
Just from the camera.
All right, so anyway, when you print them off the site, I guarantee they're cute and they all are facing the right way. So the last thing, so those are the things. We bring a small treat for the teacher, something small, really inexpensive. Jack, don't walk in front of the camera. And we do class treats, which are also really fun. Do you need help getting that up? You got it? Okay. So the other thing that we do is we have a couple of first day of school traditions. So if you want to share your traditions with me below, I always like to hear what other people do. It's always fun. We always take pictures on the first day of school. Do you know what we do for our pictures? You want to tell them?
It's like a picture inside a picture.
A picture inside a picture?
Yeah.
So, Owen's right. So from the time the kids were in preschool, I always took a picture of them on the first day of school. And then I would develop the picture into an 8x10, and the next year they would take a picture of themselves holding that picture. And it's really fun because if you look at the picture, you can see a picture inside of a picture inside of a picture. And from year to year, the kids really like to look at what they look like the year before. So I have our pictures ready to go. Can you find yours for the first day of school?
Is it one a little one?
Yeah. So if you hold it up so we can see. As you can see, this is Owen. So he'll take a picture holding, there we go, holding a picture of himself from the year before. And you can look and you can see for years and years. So that's kind of fun. We also have on the site, we like our glasses, don't we? So we also have on my website, I have signs that you can print that they can hold that say, I'm going to grade 4, or we've done before holding a chalkboard and we write things on it. So it's just fun to pick something and do the same thing every year. But this picture idea is my favorite. That's the one we always do, right?
Yeah.
And what else do we do on the first day of school? Oh, the other thing we do is we usually have a special breakfast and then a special after school treat. So for breakfast, you coming in? So for breakfast, what do we have for breakfast on the first day of school? Pancakes. What kind of pancakes? Yeah, we have pancakes in the shape of the number of the grade. Did you forget? Or you're just shy?
I forgot. I forgot to.
So, and the kids have milk and wine glasses, and we kind of celebrate. Yeah, we do that too. And when on their birthdays, they get pancakes in the shape of their age. So that's something fun that we do too. And after school, we usually have a good treat and kind of celebrate the day. Anything else about back to school we should talk about? Or you think we're good?
I think we're good.
Think we're good? Are you looking forward to going back to school?
No.
What? Some days I am. You're pretty good today. All right, so anybody else have any questions or anything, Cameron, or should we wrap it up?
No questions.
Okay, so honestly, give this a try. I also think this would be really good, this little craft. It's so simple and easy to make. I think it would be great for a homework station, for someone's desk. Anyway, it's really cute and it's colorful, and who doesn't like brand new crayons, right? All right, so I guess it's time to say goodbye and happy first day of school, everybody. Everybody say happy first day of school. Cameron, you want to come say happy first day of school to everybody? I'll show you. Cameron's been checking the comments for me. All right. See, this is my oldest son, Cameron. Okay, everybody, happy first day of school.
Happy first day of school.
All right, you want to turn it off?
You press the finish button.